Wiibuilder. USB printing. Step 1. Install the driver. Copy the installation package in the TF card to the desktop. After unzipping, double-click to open the program. Click Install. Step 2. Connect device and computer with USB. Step 3. Click Connect printer. And the baud is 115,200. Click Connect. Step 4. Click Print. And make sure the computer cannot sleep. Otherwise, the transmission will fail. Thanks for watching. If you encounter problems, please contact after sales.